Hi everyone and welcome to Fun with Code. In the last Python tutorial, we have seen how to use conditional statements in Python. In this video, we are going to see how to use lists in Python. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. We can use lists in Python to store data. We can store different types of data like strings, integers, boolean values and float values. Also you can access them whenever you want. Also you can edit them, and in lists you can add more than one item. And let's see how to create a list and how to edit the list. To create a list in Python we use square brackets, and we can give integers, float values and string values. Let's say banana, banana. And to separate each item we use comma and some integer like 56 and 90. And let's print this. Print list 1, and let's run this, and you can see that it printed banana comma 56 comma 90. And if you want to edit the list afterwards, and if you want to add some items into the list, you can add by list1 dot append brackets and type the value you want to insert into the list. I want apple, apple, and let's save this, run, and let's say print list1. Save this and run, and we have banana 5690 and apple. If you want to remove any item from the list, we use list1 dot remove brackets and give the value like apple, and let's say print list1. And now if we run, we get banana 56 and 90. The apple is removed. And now if you want to print only one item in the list, you can do that. Just print list1 and square brackets, give what give the number of the item. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes on. Let's say we want to print banana and 0. And now if we run banana 56 and 90, and it prints banana. You can also give negative numbers. Let's say minus 1, and if you run this, and it prints 90 because 90 is counted as -1. If you want to insert an item in a specific region like after banana and before 56, you can use list1 dot insert and give the index, means where you want to insert. Let's say after banana, which is 1 comma and the value apple, and list1 dot sorry print list 1. And now let's run this, and now it prints banana, apple, 56 and 90. If you want to know what are the total items, how many items are there in the list, we can use print len list 1. And now if we run this, you can see that first it printed banana, 56 and 90, and then according to the program it added apple, and then it removed apple, and then it prints the -1, the index -1, and then it adds apple in the index 1, and then it prints how many items are there in a list.